Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Engineer Suk. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that bell icon and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new notifications. Today we're going to discuss the topic of CAPM certification, also called as Certified Associate in Project Management. That's provided by PMI or Project Management Institute. We're going to break down everything you need to know for this certification. We're covering the eligibility requirements, exam details, exam content, and bonus study tips. I also wrote my CAPM certification almost 8 years ago, so I do know a fair bit of the knowledge that you need for this exam. Starting with the basics now. What is CAPM? CAPM is also called a Certified Associate in Project Management. It is an entry-level project management certification offered by the Project Management Institute. It's a great way to kickstart your project management career if you're new into this field, and it also helps to validate your existing skills. Next, we're going to discuss the eligibility requirements for this exam. To qualify for the CAPM exam, you will need a high school diploma or a secondary school diploma. Plus, you need mandatory 23 hours of project management education. Make sure the project management education that you take is verifiable by PMI, and whichever institute you take this education from, they issue you a certificate stating that you have taken 23 hours of education. There are various resources that you can use to complete this education requirement, such as you can go through Project Management Institute or LinkedIn Learning, Udemy. So there are various courses that provide certification for your education requirements that you can use towards applying in for CAPM certification. So that's it. You don't need any project management experience to write this certification, making this a certification that's accessible to the newcomers into the field of project management. Next, we're going to discuss the exam details for CAPM exam. Is what you can expect from this exam. There are 150 multiple choice questions in total, and there's 3-hour time limit for writing this exam. It's a computer-based test that's offered through Pearson View Testing Center, or you can take this exam from your home as well. I have used both the options. I used Pearson View Testing Center when I was writing my CAPM exam 8 years ago, and recently in 2020 when I was writing my project management professional certification exam, that I did from home. Some of the merits of writing from a testing center is that you get the technical support from that institute, so it's easy if you get into any issues that are technical during your exam or before your exam, you have a help that's available real time to you. That's the biggest benefit I found with that the testing center. While writing from home is also convenient, but there are some hiccups that you may experience before the start of the exam. Just consider these merits and demerits in your mind before selecting one option. Next, we're going to discuss the exam content. The CAPM exam covers 4 main domains, and the first domain is the fundamental and core concepts of project management. That is, well, these concepts are really well written in project management body of knowledge. So if you are a PMI Project Management Institute member, then you get a free access to this ebook. That's the latest edition that you can use in preparation for your exam. Next domain is predictive project management. That's also around 17% of the exam content, overall exam content. Third is agile project management. That's almost 20% of your overall exam. And last is business analysis. It's almost quarter of your exam, around 27%. So these are the 4 main domains that are covered in testing for Certified Associate in Project Management exam. So make sure you study all these areas thoroughly while preparing for your exam. And next, we're going to discuss the application process for this exam. To apply for the CAPM exam, you need to create an account on pmi.org. I will provide a link below my video. You can check that out. And you need to complete an online application listing your educational details in that application. And also you need to provide the certificate that you have completed 24 hours of project management education when you're doing the application process. And usually it's less than 24 hours that PMI verifies and lets you know that it's good, and then you can select your dates for the exam. The fees for this exam is around $225 US dollars for PMI members, while for non-members it's around $300 USD. You will have 90 days to complete the application once you start the application process. After that, your account or your application will expire. You have to start a new application. Keep that in mind. And now, lastly, the bonus tip. We will discuss some study tips that will be handy while preparing for this exam. To prepare for the CAPM exam, you can download the exam content outline through PMI website, and I will also provide a link in my video description, and you can download the PDF that details all the exam content that is covered in the PMI CAPM exam. Also consider taking a comprehensive CAPM prep course that's available through various means that you can take from LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, YouTube. Andrew Ramdale is a great resource that PMI also recommends to consider for your prep course for your exam. And you can also do a lot of practice exams to test your knowledge, and that will give you real-time insight where you stand in terms of your preparation. There are multiple apps available through Android Play Store as well as iPhone App Store that you can download and practice your exams. It will give you an idea where you stand and when you're ready to write your exam. And I would recommend that you focus on the project management core concepts, agile concepts, and as well as business analysis concepts, so you can master the top 3 areas while preparing for your exam. That's everything you need to know about the CAPM exam requirements. Remember, with the right preparation, you can ace this certification and take your project management career to the next level. If you have any exam related queries, please leave a comment and I will try to answer to the best of my knowledge. Good luck on your CAPM journey. Hope you can nail that exam. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more project management and engineering related content. Until next time, happy engineering.